76 years ago, at midnight, India made a tryst with destiny. An independent India was born. It was drained, divided, but desperate to make it on its own. India's growth and transformation is just remarkable, progressive, yet rooted in its culture and values. Today, we look at India's achievements and success stories. Join us as we embark on a cultural odyssey, encapsulating the spirit of a nation that has soared to new heights.
India has cemented its name on the pedestal of greatness globally, and all that was possible through its gifted citizens, be it performing arts, sports, or even just social development. People like Narges Dutt was one of the finest actresses of Indian cinema. Her movie, Mother India, was the first Indian film to be nominated for the Best Foreign Language Film category at the Oscars.
Pandit Ravi Shankar was a prominent musical figure who introduced the West to Indian ragas in the 60s.
Vargus Kuran, father of the White Revolution in India, was a social entrepreneur.
The Indian cricket team had won the World Cup for the first time against the mighty West Indies in 1983 under captain Kapil Dev.
India won the tournament, defeating Sri Lanka by 6 wickets in the final at Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai in 2011.
Abhinav Bindra will forever hold a place in sporting history as India's first individual gold medalist at the Olympics.
Neeraj Chopra is an Indian track and field athlete who became world champion in men's javelin throw.
S.S. Rajamouli's RRR has created history by becoming the first Indian feature film to win an Oscar.
These remarkable individuals have empowered every Indian to stand tall with pride in their hearts, embracing their identity with dignity. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you Udaan, Sailing to New Horizons, a celebration aimed at rekindling the flames of patriotism within us all.
Narges Dutt, the actor who breathed life into modern Indian women in the 1940s, will forever be Mother India. She was fearless, kind, and compassionate.
चल मुर्गा बन। मुर्गा बने बिना तुम्हें और बिरजू को विद्या नहीं मिलेगी। मैं 5 बीघा जमीन से तुम्हें और बिरजू को पाल लूंगी, पर ये जमीन नहीं दूंगी। ये जमीन मेरी माँ है, इसे मुझसे कोई नहीं छीन सकता।
दुख भरे दिन बीते रे भैया, तब सुख आयो रे।
रंग जीवन में नया लायो रे।
होए होए दुख भरे दिन बीते रे भैया, बीते रे भैया।
देख रे घटा घिर के आई, रस भर भर लाई। देख रे घटा घिर के आई, रस भर भर लाई।
ओ घटा गिर के आई, छेड़ ले गोरी मन की बिना, रिम झिम रुत छाई।
घटा गिर के आई,
प्रेम की काकर लाए रे पादर बेकल मोरा जिया। होए दुख भरे दिन बीते रे भैया, अब सुख आयो रे।
रंग जीवन में नया लायो रे।
ओ दुख भरे दिन बीते रे भैया, अब सुख आयो रे।
रंग जीवन में नया लायो रे।
Celebrating the rhythmic magic of Pandit Ravi Shankar, a trailblazing sitar genius. His soulful tunes not only captivated hearts in India, but also echoed globally through the realms of Europe and America in the 60s. Join us in a symphony of his Grammy triumphs and the timeless notes that resonate across generations, securing his legacy in global music. In 1968, the legend won his first Grammy for West Meets East album. There was poverty and hunger. The task before India was to lift itself, and it did. There was rapid industrialization and a successful white revolution. The dairy engineering graduate Vargus Kuran transformed a dusty little town in Gujarat into the milk capital of India. It made India the world's largest milk producer. Kuran stood gloomily in his room while Das entered.
Why do you seem to be so lost, Kuran?
I am not certain if I should stay here or not. I studied from the University of Michigan in the minor subject of dairy studies. And here in India, I was appointed to a very small dairy by the government.
Don't just be alive. Once you have arrived, find the reason why and make that reason accomplished.
इस बार गांव की पंडिताई ने हमको दूध के लिए बहुत कम पैसे दिए हैं।
हाँ, सबके साथ यही हुआ है। हमें पंडिताइन से बात करनी चाहिए।
हमें हमारे हक का पैसा दो।
हमें हमारे हक का पैसा दो।
बस, पैसा तो इतना ही मिलेगा, तुम चाहो या ना चाहो।
पर ये तो अन्याय है। हमें अपने हक का पैसा चाहिए।
राधा सही कह रही है। चलो शहरी बाबू के पास चलते हैं। हाँ, अब वही हमारी मदद कर सकता है।
हाँ, जाओ जाओ, लौट कर तो यहीं आना है। वो शहरी बाबू तो लौट जाएगा, हम भी देखते हैं तुम लोग क्या कर लोगे।
The ladies reach out to Kuran for help.
गांव की पंडिताइन हमें हमारे दूध का सही दाम नहीं दे।
कृपया हमारी मदद करो और हमको हमारे हक का पैसा दें।
कोई बात नहीं, मैं यहाँ आपकी सहायता करने के लिए हूँ। मेरे पास इसके लिए एक सुझाव है। अगर आप लोग मेरा साथ देंगे तो मैं आप लोगों को आपके हक का पैसा दिलाऊंगा।
जी जरूर, हम सब
आपके साथ हैं।
A movement was born with the National Dairy Development Board in 1965, and Kuran was its head. Although Kuran was perplexed at first, he eventually came to be known as the milkman of India. Vargus Kuran, the architect of White Revolution, helped India to emerge from a milk-deficient country to the largest milk-producing country in the world.
मेरो गाम काठा पाड़े जहाँ दूध की नदियाँ बहे, जहाँ कोयल डोको गाए, मारे घर अंगना ना भूलो ना, रे मारे घर अंगना ना भूलो ना।
Cricket is a sport which resides in the hearts of every Indian. India could stand shoulder to shoulder with the cricketing giants of the world. 1983 World Cup win was not just a cricketing triumph, it was a symbol of India's arrival on the global stage.
April 2, 2011, a golden date for Indian cricket. MS Dhoni led India to the second World Cup triumph after a stunning victory over Sri Lanka. It was a tactical brilliance from India's captain, and the rest is, of course, history.
Ladies and gentlemen, relive the magic of Abhinav Bindra's triumphant quest for gold at the 2008 Olympics. A symphony of determination and precision. The gold medal in the men's 10-meter air rifle at Beijing was the crowning glory in Abhinav Bindra's stellar sporting career.
Javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra won India's first gold medal at Tokyo Games on August 7 on a spectacular Olympic debut. With a stellar throw of 87.58 meter, the 23-year-old became the first Indian athlete to clinch Olympics gold.
Now last but not the least, the song which has a beat as fast as lightning, a melody that flows like water and a dance as ablaze as fire. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you Natu Natu.
आजा छोरे आजा गोरे आजा छोरे नाचो 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 वीर नाचो 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 यार नाचो 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 कच्ची कैरी जैसा खट्टा नाचो 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 बिच्छू काटा लागे ऐसा नाचो गूंज ढोल ऐसे देखो धन्ना के रोगी नाचे शोर सुन लो है धमाका जैसे शेर हाथी नाचे देखो दिल का ये मेला यार अपने साथ नाचो एड़ियों के जोरों पे धूम धड़ाका देसी नाचो ओ पसीना माथे का चमके दमके ऐसे नाचो हाँ जा छोरे हाँ जा गोरे हाँ जा छोरे